In this video, I'm going to show you guys a couple of things you could do to fix the iMessage problem when you send a message, it doesn't turn blue, it stays green. So if you see or feel that the problem is on your end, then the first thing that you could do is you could go ahead and open the settings app. Under settings, you want to click on cellular, and in here you could go ahead and see the Wi-Fi calling. If your service enables Wi-Fi calling and you are in a wireless connection, you could probably try to turn this off and then try to send your messages again. And of course, you need to make sure that you have good service. If you disable that and then go back and still having problems, the next thing that you could do is you could go where it says network selection. In here, if your phone is unlocked, you may see different networks in here. Generally, you want to either select one manually or you could just set it to automatically, and depending on your SIM card, your phone will detect the service. But if that's not working, you could switch it off and do it manually. And as you can see, there's two T-Mobile services. I'm not sure why, but you could select one of them and then go back and try sending your messages again. The other thing that you could do is you could go over to general, and then if you scroll down, you're gonna see an option here that says reset. And then in here, you could go ahead and click on reset network settings. This basically takes care of cleaning and clearing out all your custom settings and any network that you've connected on the phone. And after you do that, then I recommend you restarting the phone. Okay, if you did that and still having problems, then the last thing or the other thing that you could do is you go over to the messages app, and then in here you could turn the iMessage off, wait about 20 to 30 seconds, and then you could turn it back on, and then make sure on the send and receive that you select your phone number on how people could send you messages. Generally, this is one of the problems where people would have their emails listed instead of the phone number. I don't know if that's a solution, but you gotta make sure that here the phone number is selected. All right, if you did that and still having problems, the last thing that helped one of my employees fix the problem is basically go all the way to the top where you see your ID, and then you will basically click on your avatar icon and just simply go to the bottom and then click sign out. In here it's going to ask you for your Apple ID password. Go ahead and type it in, log out, and then once you get the option to sign in again, go ahead and sign in. Ultimately, if that still doesn't work the problem, then what you could do is you could go back to your general settings, reset, and just do a complete factory reset of the phone, and that should fix the problem. Alright, so that's the things that you could do to fix the iMessage problems in iOS 14 and your iPhone XR, 11, or 12. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and please subscribe.